back to my channel. Why is this camera too close? Okay, today I'm gonna make some bike vlogs, and yeah, because I don't really, I'm just being boring. So, oh my goodness, this is too close. Okay, this is being boring, and yeah, I don't know how to do. I'm just gonna spin around for a minute to speak to you. I'm even making a vlog, not even a bike vlog, but yeah. Yeah, I'll just make this video like to tell you I'm not even gonna make more videos anymore. I'm gonna make more videos because I got some more stuff to do. And if you like my channel, logically, you can just leave some comments. And no, I'm not even telling you like to subscribe my channel or to like them, but just leave comments what you want to do on my channels. If you don't like my channel, don't subscribe it. If you like it, subscribe it. If you don't like the videos, don't push the thumbs up. Push the thumbs down. If you like it. If you don't, I don't really care. But I'm trying to try my best. I want to make more stuff, but now I don't really know. And you got 3 seconds to wait, guys. 3 seconds to think in which bike I am, in a blue one or in a green one. If you, oh yeah, oh my goodness, you don't know my bikes. Okay, I just gonna like park down one next to it, next to them. The green bike is gonna be